सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेवलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लॅट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
गोव्यात कोविड संक्रमणाची स्थिती गंभीर आहे. भविष्यात ऑक्सिजनची दुप्पट पटीनं गरज भासणार असल्याची माहिती आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांनी दिली. दरम्यान सोमवारी 17 जण कोविडमुळे दगावले तर कोविड संक्रमणाची संख्या 34% वाढली आहे.
Today, because we have such committed team, I must say, including our secretary, Dr. Bandekar, Dr. Disa, and many of them, and all these young doctors who are there, the guard president and his whole team, and all our senior doctors, everybody is under a lot of pressure. Everybody is under a lot of pressure. The requirement of oxygen, I have never imagined that this much of oxygen will be required. But I spoke to Madam Shaileja, K.K. Shaileja, who is the Health Minister of Kerala. She allowed me movement of another 20 liters of liquid oxygen. She has said whatever is required from the government of Kerala can support, they will support, so that we are able to overcome this crisis. According to me and according to our conversation yesterday with the doctors in presence of the doctors, I just wanted to know exactly what would be the future forecast of oxygen. Future forecast is double. Exactly double of what we are using today. Is that much oxygen that will be required. So we need to make more arrangements. We need to see from where all we can get oxygen. I was told there are some companies like JSW and Linde and all in Bellary district who have the oxygen supply, their industrial oxygen that can be diverted, and they can give us this liquid oxygen and we can put it in tankers and bring it here. In addition to this, every facility is being made available to the people of the state of Goa. There should not be any panic. Only appeal to the people is that if there are symptoms, I must give you an example. I tested so many people in my own factory, I tested so many people in my own office. Out of 70 people, 18 were positive. I just did it randomly. I did my test also yesterday. I did antigen RT-PCR yesterday, I was negative. That's my 67th test. Because every time I meet somebody, that fellow turns out to be positive. Somebody comes and meets you and he says, okay sir, please, I have become positive. So then you have to check yourself because you should not infect somebody else. But if people have any symptoms and all, and if a lot of people I've seen, I must share with you, there are instances where people, in spite of being positive, are moving around. They don't want to be under isolation. And this is spreading the virus. And this virus is very infective. This strain which we are seeing is very infective. And as a result, we have to be all careful, wear masks and other things. I've just removed my mask. I'm telling the media just so that I can speak properly. A whole day I've been sitting in the mask, rather you get breathless in this. Otherwise, mask is the only solution and the way forward. Mask, social distancing, all this we keep saying, but it's up to us. But just to give you security is, we have got all our medication and other things all in order. Luckily, we had procured sufficient number of ventilators and so many things in the past, HFNO machines, everything is in order. We have to increase oxygen beds, like I have told the Dean. We need to have more oxygen beds in the state of Goa. And I think we are pretty comfortable at the moment. Comfortable means not comfortable in terms of beds and other things, because we need to again augment more oxygen supply so that all the 550 beds in the South Goa District Hospital can be done. The collector is on it, Secretary Health is on it. Tomorrow we will have a meeting with private hospitals to ask them that compulsorily that many beds they will have to give. The reason is the private hospitals cannot shy away from the responsibility, and whole country the private hospitals are playing a role in helping us. Private hospitals and the government doctors and hospitals together, I think we will be able to combat the menace of COVID-19. I strongly believe that the media's role is very important today to create awareness among the people, more awareness that they should immediately come. They should not just say it's a flu. Even if they feel slight body ache or anything, I think they should go and get themselves tested. Like Honorable Chief Minister said yesterday, we had already procured 3 machines of Roche. I have told the Dean to procure another 2 machines of Roche. I think today in the meeting they have taken it up. At any cost, the word given by the Chief Minister of 500,000 testing per day has to be met. And we are at the moment at around 3,000 plus. But our backlog is also there. We are trying to overcome the backlog. We have got a backlog of nearly about 3,000 tests per day, and the backlog of 3,000 tests at the moment. The reason the backlog is because more and more people are testing, and we are also doing contact tracing, and all these things put together, the backlog is there. We need to be, like what the Chief Minister said, at 5,000. If we are at 5,000, cases also are going to be more proportionately, more beds will be required. Ponda Hospital, I have already put on note that ESIC Hospital to be a COVID hospital, South Goa District Hospital to be a COVID hospital. Shiroda CMS said that will be a COVID care center. Shyamak Prakash Mukherjee Stadium we have taken, and Ponda Hospital will be a COVID hospital. So with this, I think our teams will be in place. We want more doctors also. I have told the Dean and I am telling in director DHS, both in presence of the media, whatever the requirement is to put to the government so that we can get more and more resources to help our existing set of doctors that are there. And it is very important for us to understand that in the state of Goa, we are one of the only states where I told you last time also that IL-6, D-dimer and all other protocols, I have told them, I have given the written protocols in place. Do it as much as per the protocol. Every 72 hours they are supposed to repeat this test so that they are able to overcome the cytokine storm. And in order to overcome the cytokine storm, you need the best of labs to be made available in the hospital so that they are able to accordingly diagnose what is the manner in which they can deal with that patient. Patient to patient it varies.
पार्ट्या बंद करा, घरीच राहा अशी कठोर सूचना आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांनी युवकांना केली आहे. तसंच कोविड नियमांचं उल्लंघन करणाऱ्या पार्टी आयोजकांवर कारवाई व्हावी असंही ते म्हणाले.
And also the volume of oxygen is going up every day. So if we say that today we have got X number of oxygen in terms of whatever that measurement that they say is available in the state of Goa, I don't think that will be the figure till tomorrow. There will be a different figure tomorrow, and people of Goa need to understand, young generation needs to understand is stop partying, stay at home. This is not the time for you to party. This is a serious situation in the state, in the country. Clubs, we see that people are without face masks, without masks, nothing, everybody jumping around the place. Action should be taken against such clubs. Because today I speak as a very passionately as a health minister of the state of Goa, because the load is increasing on the health sector, load is increasing on the doctors, and parents of these young children and young parents must try to keep their children in the house rather than send them for parties. Every weekend we see on the beach, in Morjim and in many other areas, it seems to be a free flow party everywhere. And as a result, this is affecting more people. Infectivity is increasing. This virus, as we have already said, is an infective virus. It is infecting more compared to last year. And as a result, we all must take care. And once again, to the media, I would like to appeal to people to come forward to donate plasma. This will definitely help in saving people's lives. And like Chief Minister said, everything, I was with the Chief Minister yesterday, whatever he has said, we will be following to the T and ensuring that we are trying our best, and we will do our best to see that the mortality rate reduces so that we can save more lives, and in a timed manner, in a proper manner, with a proper thorough SOP and protocol, we will be able to move forward.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.